and a machining process. 13th problem is they have asked us to find total time taken for this milling operation. Right? These are the given data. They have given surface of machining milling operation. It is length into, this is length, this is breadth. 80 is breadth, 160 is length, diameter is given as 150 mm, Z is number of teeth, that is 10, offset is given as 15. You have to consider this offset as AP value, okay? And feet per tooth is given as 0.25 mm, and velocity is given as 20 meter per minute. We know that time taken for this milling operation is T is equal to L by Fn, or T is equal to L by Fm, that is machine feet. Feet value given in the problem is feet per tooth. Feet per tooth. But in this formula it is machine feet or table feet. So total length is L plus AP plus compulsory approach, that is AP1 plus over travel OR. Okay. In this milling operation, AP1 value can be found out by two ways. First is AP1 is half into capital D minus root of capital D minus W, that is width square. Okay. This is used for end milling or face milling. It is used for end or face milling. This AP1 value is used for end or face milling. This AP1 value is used for slab or peripheral milling. Slab or peripheral milling. Okay. But in the question they haven't given any end milling, face milling or not. They have given only these values. Okay. If in the question they haven't mentioned any milling process, any type of milling process, see the given data. In the given data, they have given capital B, that is diameter, and they have given length and breadth. They have given width of this workpiece, but they haven't given depth. So depth is not given. So we can consider this AP1. We can assume it is end of face milling, and we can solve problem using this formula. Okay? That is AP1 is equal to half into, this is capital D minus root of capital D square minus W. W is width or breadth square. Finally, we are getting 11.55 mm. This compulsory approach is 11.55 mm, and total length is given as L is 160. L is 160 plus AP value is this one, offset. This offset you have to take it as AP approach. 15 plus this compulsory approach, that is AP1. OR is not given, so neglect it. This is final total length value 186.55. You have got this value. Then you have to find this FM. FM is table or machine feet, that is equal to feet per tooth into N. N is RPM. Spindle speed into Z. Z is number of teeth. We can find this N value by N is equal to 1000 V by pi D. 1000 into V is 20 meters per minute. So into 20 by pi into D values diameter, that is 150, into number of teeth, that is 10. Finally we are getting FM as 106.10 mm. Okay. We have found out this total length value as well as this machine feet value. This we have to substitute these two values in this formula. That is P is equal to total length is 186.55 by FM value is 106.10. Finally, we are getting 1.75 minutes. But in the given problem, 1.75 minutes is not given. So we are multiplying into 60 for converting into seconds. We are getting 105.5 seconds. So this value is near to option B, that is 104 seconds. Option B is correct. Right? Thank you.